Today topic is multiplication and division of integer. Now previous class we have learned add and subtract integer. Now this class we have learned multiplication and division of integer. Now there is a 4 step. The first step is positive number into positive number is equal to positive number. Second, positive number into negative number is equal to negative number, and third is a negative number into positive number is equal to negative number, and fourth is negative number into negative number is equal to positive number. Now we use practice set number 8. The question is first there is a multiply. The first question is minus 5 into minus 7. Now you can first multiply only number. There is a number is what 5 and the number is what 7. We can only multiply the number. There is a 5 into 7. 5 sevens are 35. You can write here 35. You can write here 35. Now there is sign is what? This is a positive number or negative number. We first is a minus 5. There is a negative number. And second is also negative number. We can see here negative number into negative number is equal to what? Positive number. Means there is a what? There is a positive number. Means what? This is a plus 35. We can write plus also. You can don't write. This is also plus sign. Understood? Now second question. Second question is minus 9 into 6. Minus 9 into 6 is equal to what? There is first we can multiply number. There is a 9 into 6. 9 6 are 54. We can write here 54. And there is sign. Sign is what? Means there is a plus sign and negative sign. We can see here first is what? Negative and second is what? Positive. The first is negative and second is what? Positive. Then negative number into positive number is equal to what? Negative number. We can sign here is what? There is a sign is negative number. Means minus 54. Now third question is 9 into minus 4. We can write here 9 into minus 4 is equal to what? 9 into minus 4. First we can multiply only number. 9 4s are 36. We can write here 36. Now there is sign is what? Positive or negative. We can see here first is a positive number and second is a negative number. We can see here the first is positive number and second is negative number is what? Negative number. Means there is sign is what? Negative. Means minus 36. Now fourth question is 8 into minus 7. 8 into minus 7 is equal to, first we can multiply only number. 8 into 7, 8 sevens are 56. We can write here 56. And there is sign is what? The first is there is a positive number and second is there is a negative number. We can see here first is positive number and second negative number is equal to what? Negative number. We can write here negative sign. There is answer is what? Minus 56. Now fifth question is minus 124 into minus 1. Minus 124 into minus 1. We can multiply first the number. There is a number is what? By 124 and there is 1. 124 into 1. 124 ones are 124. We can write here 124. Now there is sign. First sign is what? Negative number and second sign is what? Negative number. We can see here there is negative number into negative number is equal to what? Positive number. We can write here positive. You can also write here plus. You can don't write this is also plus. Understood? Now sixth question is what? Minus 12 into minus 7. Minus 12 into minus 7 is equal to minus 12 into minus 7. is equal to, first we can multiply the number. There is a number is 12 into 7. 12 sevens are 84. We can write here 84. Now there is sign is what? First is negative number and second is also negative number. Look here, there is a negative number into negative number is equal to what? Positive number. We can write here positive number, means what? We can write here plus also. You can don't write, this is also plus 84. Understood? Now seventh question is what? Minus 63 into minus 7. Minus 63 into minus 7 is equal to what? Then the first is number is 63 and second number is 7. We can multiply 63 into 7 is equal to what? The 441. There is sign is what? There is negative number into negative number. We can see here negative number into negative number is equal to what? Positive number. We can write here positive number. You can write also, you can don't write, this is also what? Positive number. This is equal to what? 441. Now 8th question. What is the 8th question? Question is minus 7 into 15. Minus 7 into 15 is equal to what? We can multiply first number. There is 7 into 15. 15 sevens are 105. We can write here 105. But there is sign is what? We can see here there is a minus sign and second is a positive. There first is a negative number and second is a positive number. We can see here first is negative number and second is a positive number. There is sign is what? Negative number. We can write here negative number. Understood? Now second is a division of integer. There is a also 3-4 step. Now first step is what? The two coefficient are positive integer is what? Negative number, and the quotient of two negative integer is what? Positive integer. The quotient of one is negative and one is a positive integer is equal to what? Negative number. Now there is a first question is, you can solve practice set 9. The first question is minus 96 divided by 16. How to solve? We can look here. Now then we can write here minus 96 upon, there is what? 16. This is a numerator and this is a denominator is equal to this. There is 16 tables. We can multiply 1 into 16. We can write here 16 1 is 16 and there is 16 into 6. 16 6 are what? 96. Understood? 16 6 are what? 96. There is sign minus. We can write here minus. Understood? But we can look here. There is 16 into 16. 16 upon 16 and 16 will be cancelled. What we get here? Minus 6 upon 1 is equal to what? Minus 6 upon 1 is equal to minus 6. There is one sign, 1. We can write what is the numerator. You can write here numerator number. There is minus 6. We can write here minus 6. But there is a number 2. You can don't write minus 6. Understood? Now second question. Second question is 98 divided by minus 28. 98 divided by minus 28 is equal to, first we can write here 98 upon minus 28. 98 upon minus 28 is equal to 28. Which number we can divide? We can divide 28. We can divide it is 40 numbers. We can divide by 40 numbers. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. We can write here 14 into 2, and second is 98, means what? 14 sevens are into 7 is equal to, we can see here there is sign minus, we can write here minus. Now there is a 14 into 14 is cancelled, what we get here? 7 upon 2, we can write here 7 upon 2. There is sign is what? Negative. One negative integer quotient and one is positive integer is equal to what? Negative integer. You can write here only minus sign. Understood? One is positive and one is negative is what? Same. Now third question is minus 54 divided by 68. Minus 51 divided by 68 is equal to what? We can write here first minus 51 upon 68 is equal to what? Which table in 51? 17 3s are 51 upon 17 4s are 68. Now there is sign is here, we can put here. Now there is 17 is cancelled, is equal to what? Minus 3 upon 4. Understood? Now fourth question is 38 divided by 57. 38 divided by 57, there is sign is minus 57 is equal to, we can write first here 38 upon minus 57 is equal to, which table is 38? 19 2s are 38 and 19 3s are 57. There is sign is here, we can write here minus sign, and there is a 19 it cancelled is equal to what? Is equal to 2 upon 3. There is sign is negative, you can write here minus sign. Understood? Now fifth is minus 85 divided by 20. Minus 85 divided by 20 is equal to, there is sign is 20 also. Now there you can write here first minus 85 upon 20 is equal to, which table in 85 and 25? 5 table. Understood? We can write first here 5 4s are 20 and 17 5s are 85. 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35, carry 3, 5 1s are 5 3 8. Right. Now there is sign is what? Negative. You can write a negative sign. First denominator and numerator having 5 will cancel is equal to what? 17 minus 17 upon 4. Now sixth question is minus 150 divided by minus 25. Minus 150 divided by minus 25. Minus 25. Now look here. First we can write minus 150 upon minus 25. The minus will be what? Cancel. This is the what? Plus one negative quotient and one negative integer and one second is negative integer is what? Positive number. This is a positive number, and we can write here 25 into 1 and 25 into 6. 25 is 25 and 25 6 are 150. There is a 25 is a cancelled. What we get here is equal to what? 6 upon 1 is equal to what? 6. Now seventh question is what? 100 divided by 60. 100 divided by 60 is equal to, we can write here 100 upon 60 is equal to, with table 120 and this table 16 20 20 table having 23 and 20 into 5, we can, there is a 20 numerator and 20 denominator will be cancelled, is equal to what, 5 upon 3. Understood? Now question number 8, 9 divided by minus 54, you can write here first 9 upon 54, there is sign is negative, you can write here negative, is equal to 9 into 1, 9 1 is 9, 9 6 is 54, there is sign is what, negative, you can write here negative, and there is, we can divide here, cancelled, 1 is numerator and 1 is denominator number are same, this is cancelled, is equal to what, 1 upon 6, we can write here 1 upon 6, but there is sign is what, negative, 1 negative integer number, the quotient is what, negative number. Now question number 9, question number 9 is 78 divided by 65, 78 divided by 65 is equal to, we can write here 78 upon 65, which table, there is 13 table in 78 also and 65, we can write here 13 upon 13, 13 5 is 65 and 13 6 is 78 is equal to, there is a one numerator and denominator number will be same, this is a cancelled, is equal to what, 6 upon 5. Now 10th question is minus 5 divide minus 315, minus 5 divide minus 315 is equal to, we can first write minus 5 upon minus 315, there is one negative integer and second negative integer, coefficient is what, cancelled, this is a positive number, is equal to 5 upon 315, which table 315 is 5, we can write here 5 into 1 and 5 into 63, we can multiply 63 into 5, we get here 315. Now there is 15 5 is cancelled, there is final answer is what, 1 upon 63. Understood? Now second question, students, write 3 divisions of integer such that the fractional form of each will be 24 upon 5. We can write in only 3, there is more fractional form more than integer divisions of integer in 25 upon 5. We can see here, first we can write here 24 divided by 5, this is the first. Now second, we can multiply in 2 into 24 into 2 is what, 48, divide, and this is also multiply by 2, 10. Understood? We can multiply, then we can solve this question, therefore there is answer is what, 24 upon 5. Now third, we can, there is positive number, we can write here negative number also, negative, and there is minus 10, this is also, we can solve and find the value of 24 upon 5. Now third is also same, write 3 divisions of integer such that the fractional form of the each will be minus 5 upon 7. We can write here first minus 5 divided by 7, and second 5 we can multiply into 2, 5 to the 10, we can write here minus 10 divided by 7 to the 40. Now we can multiply by 3, 5 to the 15, we can write here minus 15 divided by 7 3 is 21, we can write here 21. 1 2 3, which the question is what, only 3 division of integer, the 1 2 3 is the division of an integer. Now students, you like my video, you can like and subscribe and share your friends. Thank you.